Find a position for the wall mount plate that is directly in line above or below an outlet. Secure the top and bottoms of the wall mount plate to the desired location, making sure the entire mount is in line with an outlet. Make sure the plate is level and secure the left and right sides of the plate. Fasten the cable management holder to the wall mount plate using 2 screws. Secure the magnetic release plate using the center screw. Tightly pull the cable from the outlet and insert it into the cable management holder. Then wrap the cable around the mount until 2 to 3 inches of cable remains. Use the provided alcohol wipe and clean the back of the device you are mounting. Place the provided magnetic sticker on the center of the back of the device and press down to make sure it's secure. For the Google Home Mini, this step is optional. Your Rivetdot is now ready to use. Plug in your device and mount it on the Rivetdot by aligning the center of the device's back to the center of the magnetic release plate.